Good morning, friends. My name is Yashasvi Sharma, and I'm a chartered accountant by profession. First of all, I would like to thank Nitin and Alokji for inviting me here to discuss the impact of COVID-19 on the MSME sector and the industry at large. Friends, first of all, I would like to congratulate and pay my sincere regards to Nitin and Alokji that they are doing a fantastic job under the banner of Sai Charitable Trust. They have been doing a lot of social activities for different parts of the societies. So they must be congratulated for that. Friends, as you all know that the entire world is suffering from one of its biggest enemy in the form of pandemic COVID-19. A lot of people have lost their lives. All the nation across the country have locked down. No business activities are being carried out. No social activities are being carried out. And as a result of which, it is seen that the economies of the entire world, they have come upside down, and India is no exception to that. So having said that, let us first understand how the structure of the Indian economy is. In the Indian economy, MSMEs play a very vital role, and they strengthen the economy of the country at large. So to save those industries and establishments are very important to make our industry, make our economy solid again, and to get it back on track. Friends, some of the measures government have already taken in this regard, and I think those are not fully supporting the MSMEs, and this particular segment of industry needs much more from the government. Government have provided the moratorium, interest moratorium to the industry, in which 3 months time have been given, and the interest on any loan accounts, they have given the moratorium of 3 months in this regard. Further, they have extended the deposition dates and the return filing date as far as the GST is concerned, and some of the dates in income tax with regard to advance tax or the TDS, they have also been extended. So to an extent, that amount may be utilized for the working capital, that we will discuss later. And some relaxations have been given yesterday also, in which some dates have been extended, but not in the shape of monetary terms. So those will not affect MSMEs in relation to the economic decisions of that sector is concerned. Friends, these things and these times are very difficult to survive for any industry across the world. So what the government needs to do right now, they have to rebuild the faith in MSMEs, that we can go ahead and the government will provide proper and due support in getting the businesses on a higher side. So that faith needs to be built in that. And in this regard, I would like to discuss 2-3 points with you. First and foremost, as I already told you about the working capital management. As you all know that these are very difficult times as far as the cash liquidity availability is concerned. Before pandemic, there were transactions which took place, and still the outstanding payments are there. So now it is very difficult to get those outstanding payments, because each and everybody is apprehensive about the future, that what will happen in future. Will this lockdown go further, or how this disease will be taken care of, and how long it will take to the economy to rebuild, how much time it will take for the public to come out and contribute and buy their stuffs from the market. So these apprehensions are all around. So working capital management will be a big task for the industries. See, my submission in that is that the government must immediately release some economic packages, so that the morale which is down somewhere, that should come back in this particular industry. So first and foremost thing is that some kind of economic relief with regard to the working capital must be given to the industries as a confidence booster for them. Second thing is the insurance of the labor and the staff which are working in the factories or the other premises of these industries. So that becomes a very important part right now. As you all know, that government have already declared some insurance policies or in the insurance covers for the what they call this warriors, the corona warriors. So that is a very welcome move, but some monetary limit must be fixed for the insurance of the staff and the laborers of the factory owners. That will also give a boost to them, so that they can work in a very confident manner that if something wrong happens anywhere, then the government is with us. So that will be a good initiative if the government takes that. Second thing is the environment of working. The environment, safe environment needs to be provided by the government, meaning thereby the sanitization, proper sanitization of the industrial areas or the working areas where the factories are conducting their operations. Some measures with regard to the sanitization, with regard to the other protective measures such as fumigation and your masks, your gloves and sanitizers, those are to be provided by the government, must be provided by the government, so that at least that little portion of the money can be saved by the MSME sectors. And other levies such as electricity plays a very important role in and it has a very vital figure in the profit and loss account, where or the trade or the manufacturing account, where the expenses are booked. So in some kind of relief must be, I'm not saying that the electricity charges must be waived off, but some relief must be provided with regard to electricity charges are concerned. Other government levies, they must be deferred for some time. I am again and again saying that the confidence must be rebuilt in the industry, that the government is behind you and they are always there to support you. You just need to get on with the businesses, and that is how the the economy may be revived. And let's hope for some good news coming from the government in next few days. And I hope and wish you all a very all the very best with regard to your businesses. And I hope that India in coming 2 years, by this way or the other, will be on a very strong footing as far as the economy is concerned. With that, I'm really thankful to Nitin for inviting me here to discuss some of my thoughts which are there with regard to the impact of COVID-19 on MSMEs. Thank you very much.